let us go for the practical one, which is of relative referencing. We will consider the example 1 given on page number 35 in the book. So first of all, let's start. Go to the start menu, open the Excel, MS Excel. Now we are trying to add the data. So my table name here given is sales. Then after I will add up the columns. So first is salesman number. If I want to increase the size of my column, then I can increase like this. Then next is 4 quarter data are given. So quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3 and quarter 4. Then next column is want to find out the total sales. And last is, if you wish, you can increase the size of the column, and here commission. Okay, select the particular column and increase it. Now I will enter the data. Salesman 1 will give the data like this, S01. Okay, I'll fill one data and then I will go here just the corner of this cell, and this field handle I am having. Now I will drop it down. Okay, so automatically the datas are filled. Now I am filling the rest of the datas, which are quarter 1 3000, okay, which is for salesman 1, then 4000, then 4000 again, and then 6000. Okay, in this way I will fill my or four quarters data. So here I have entered all the 4 quarters details. Now I want to find out the total sales. So I can write the formula. Okay, whichever cell is selected, in that particular cell your formula is applied. So I am writing my formula here over fx area. So equal to, I want to find out the sum of salesman 1, quarter 1 plus quarter 2, quarter 3 and quarter 4. So I'll apply sum bracket. Now here you can pass your arguments. So my arguments are, I am clicking on this particular number F5 and I want the range of the cell F5, and I'll put column, and then F52 I want my first value as a F5 and F52 my last cell is I5. Okay, so F5 to I5 I want the sum. Complete the bracket, click enter, so you will get the result 16,000. Okay, now here again I am copying this formula because I want the total sale for other 3 salesmen. So keep your cursor over here, you will get this sign. Simply you have to drag and drop it down. Okay, so you will get your total sales for remaining cells. Here I am applying commission. So here you have given that you have to apply the commission 10% on total sales. Okay, so total sales value is in J5. See students, if you are confusing with the cell addresses, then you can also check the cell addresses in this नेम बॉक्स एरिया. ओके, आप नेम बॉक्स एरिया में जाके आपके सेल एड्रेसेस को चेक कर सकते हो इजीली. नाउ कमीशन, सो फॉर दैट आई विल राइट द फॉर्मूला. हियर आई एम राइटिंग फॉर्मूला इन द सेल itself. So equal to total sales. Now my total sales is in which column? J5. Okay, multiply by J5 multiply by 10%. 10% का मतलब होता है कि 10 डिवाइड बाय 100. सो 10 डिवाइड बाय 100 इज इक्वल टू 0.1. ओके, 0.1. yes, this is my formula. Now I'll click on enter, so I'll get the commission 16,000, 10% commission 1600. Now how to apply the same formula here bottom. So simply I will drag and drop the handle down, so I'll get my desired result. Now students, check one thing here. You have made the formula, first formula, that is sum f5 to a5. Now you can, as you can see here, I have copied this formula. मैंने इस formula को नीचे copy किया है और कुछ नहीं किया. So once I copy this formula, you can see my now this cell's address is coming like f6 to i6. Automatically the rows changed. Here you can see sum f7 to i7, as you can see in the formula bar, and here f8 to i8. So students, keep in your mind, while you vertically copy your formula, जब आप vertically formula को copy कर रहे हो तो आपका row number change होगा, but column name should not be changed. Okay, here also you can check j5 into 0.1, here j6, j7 and j8. So in this way, this is called the relative referencing. Okay, the cell address is changed, okay, relatively. Okay, this is called relative referencing. And if you want your headings in a bold, then click here and press Ctrl B from the keyboard. Sales part also, if you want, you can press Ctrl B. You can also increase the size of it. Okay, so yeah, in this way you can make few modification. If you wish, you can also fill the color. Here is your font colors. You can also make change the font color. You can also fill the background